Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about fashion and how to create a timeless wardrobe. Fashion is not just about following trends, it's about creating a personal style that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to build a wardrobe that will stand the test of time. Tip number 1. Invest in quality basics. The foundation of a timeless wardrobe is built on high-quality basics. Items like a classic white t-shirt, a well-fitting pair of jeans, and a versatile blazer are staples that can be dressed up or down and worn for years to come. When shopping for basics, it's important to look for quality fabrics like cotton, silk, or wool that will last longer and feel better on the skin. Tip number 2. Accessorize smartly. Accessories can make or break an outfit, so it's important to choose them wisely. Simple jewelry pieces like a delicate necklace or stud earrings can add a touch of elegance without overpowering the outfit. A classic leather bag or a pair of versatile shoes can also make a big impact on your overall look. Tip number 3. Opt for classic silhouettes. Trends come and go, but classic silhouettes will never go out of style. Aligned skirts, tailored blazers, and shift dresses are just a few examples of timeless pieces that can be worn for years. When choosing clothes, it's important to consider the fit and the silhouette to ensure that it flatters your body type and feels comfortable to wear. Tip number 4. Invest in a tailored piece. A well-tailored piece can take an outfit from average to exceptional. Whether it's a blazer, a dress, or a pair of pants, having a piece that fits perfectly can make a huge difference in how you feel and how you're perceived by others. When investing in a tailored piece, it's important to choose a classic silhouette that will never go out of style. Tip number 5. Add a pop of color. While neutrals are great for creating a timeless wardrobe, adding a pop of color can make a big impact. A bold red lip, a colorful scarf, or a bright bag can add personality and style to any outfit. When choosing colors, it's important to choose ones that complement your skin tone and that you feel comfortable wearing. And that's it for our tips on how to create a timeless wardrobe. Remember, fashion is all about personal style and feeling confident in your clothes. By investing in quality basics, accessorizing smartly, opting for classic silhouettes, investing in a tailored piece, and adding a pop of color, you can create a wardrobe that will stand the test of time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips and educational videos. See you in the next one.